Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Auto Rotate icon. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that auto rotation is disabled. In order to enable it, tap on the same icon again. You can also go into Settings, scroll down just a bit, and click on Display and Brightness. Now tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to disable or enable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!